first coffee machine cleaning.
Doiwa.
This is this. This is clean this.
Yeah. Throw
After
it.
that, this is
Drink this one.
No, 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 drink. This is a clean.
Okay, cleaning.
Then machine is
Okay,
what
coffee.
you mean? This is a error. Yani ki show.
Yeah.
Grinder is working. Good one.
This only coffee?
Only coffee.
Only coffee.
दूध वाली तरह जिसके ऊपर की मलाई बनी हुई है ना वो दूध है।
There, this one are the choices.
Choices, you know, choices that is a milk with milk. This is a cappuccino. That one.
Yeah, first on this one. The power.
Which you want, you press
Choose this one. Where is the coffee?
Coffee beans.
You put it there. Where is this one?
Coffee beans here.
Ah, coffee beans only. And
No powder use.
no powder.
No powder.
Only like this.
Like this. Beans is fried
Yeah.
beans. Hard beans, not fried
And
beans.
what is the cream?
Huh?
They will not put cream.
No, no, no. no
Only
cream.
coffee?
Only for coffee, not cream.
Oh, so there is no choices for like
No, this is a cream. This is
cappuccino.
cappuccino. This is a milk.
Ah,
This
here,
milk,
here
yeah.
the milk.
Yeah, milk. Yeah.
This powder or what?
Single espresso, double espresso, americano, cappuccino.
Okay.
mention है.
Of
There,
every
there,
mention
yeah.
here.
Okay. But milk here, yeah?
Milk here.
yes.
You want this milk here? You press there.
Yeah.
Milk वाला भी check करो.
Okay, got it.
It's ready.
Before when you open this one is carbon or no?
No, 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 no. This is only for
Now
them.
you want this
Okay,
and
choose.
press 1 minute.
Let's assume this is the milk one. Okay?
इसको ऊपर
No.
1 minute. अब कर ले इसमें पहले ओवर प्रेस करता हूँ.
Where the water put? Here also?
water press here.
Ah, okay.
Okay.
I thought the water is
No,
the
this is
same.
the milk.
Okay, the milk only here.
तो ये भी टच नहीं करता.
You see? Total. This.
सिंगल वाली है.
Okay, very nice smell. Where is your coffee?
अच्छा समझा दो कि इस टाइम में बीन्स एम्प्टी होएगा ना ऐ शोइंग होएगा थोड़ा.
You see, beans empty. Beans not there.
Yeah.
So here BP is coming.
this
This is a milk full.
this side full.
Full. Lazim clean. This is errors means
All-
you
all-
Yeah,
errors.
you have to clean or
Okay, आप ये
put
बना, दूध वाला बना, दूध
the
वाला.
beans.
बनेगा.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
milk.
Milk. This one is
वाटर
coming.
आएगा पानी आएगा.
Like we're assuming.
Is this error is coming? So
All error.
read here. What
Yeah.
mention? Do it.
Okay. Follow this
Only
one.
clean this side.
Where is the? Can I see the clean
Beans is finished. Huh?
beans finish? How to clean this one?
I show. You know, this is a milk. दूध मिलेगा अभी.
अब पानी भी है वही है.
How to clean?
Okay, first finish and then machine stop. Power off. After then क्या ही लग डालूं मत डालूं हो गया. तो निकालना पड़ेगा. Beans like this use, huh? This is one. This is not good. So you see,
It's not like
this not like not working.
no.
You see,
Oh, what is that? The milk.
This milk. This is not been same. So
It will not grind there.
Not grind. This is a good beans.
Bean dry.
This is a clear. Okay.
Yeah.
Machine is okay. Then off this machine. Okay.
Oh, When not in use, off.
Off. After you totally off, you see, not remove this plug.
Okay.
First, then you off, then you remove plug.
बीन मस्ट बी
Remove. Okay.
इसको बताओ. इसको नहीं कर सकते क्या?
fill this.
No, what is
Okay.
maybe this one is full. There is
Error,
like
error
this, yeah.
showing. This remove
And
clean.
Yeah. And
This
wash.
clean.
ब्रश
Clean also.
Clean also.
Okay.
टाइम टू टाइम. अच्छा. इनको थोड़ा ब्रश नहीं मंगाया ना तुम, लेके आए घूम से भी. ब्रश. ये
Yeah.
स्क्रू किसका? ये स्क्रू किसका सारा?
हाँ? ये मशीन का.
Okay.
मैं इसको साफ कर देता हूँ इसको.